Welcome, friends. My name is Raj, and basically, I'm the owner, co-founder, and director of Raj Computer Education. Basically, it's an educational trust where the main focus is to provide jobs for people in IT and place them. So we provide placement services, which is free of charge. We train people, we upgrade them, and push it to IT department. That is our main purpose. So if you have any reference regarding IT jobs, please refer us so our students and your friends will be benefiting. Okay, please like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you. First of all, suppose I want to create this kind of design in AutoCAD. See, what is my basic understanding? My basic understanding is like, let's look into this diagram. So I come here. This is the size of 11 point, it's round of 11. It's 11.1, I think so. Fine, and this is what? It's 12 point, 84, it's 12 point, yeah, it's 12.84, and this is 2.75, this is 5.2, and this all are into, like, I think it's into double sign, it's in inches. So let's start doing it. Fine. So I'll be basically multiplying this for a better view. Okay. So let's start. So now, right now, I'm into AutoCAD. So first I have to understand where to start. You can start from anything, and then I'll be what? I'll be doing only a simple thing. I'll be just offshifting this everything. How to offshift, how to process. And then I'll be using most of the time trim command. Okay, let's start. This is my first point. So I'll be drawing a line. What is the maximum length of the line? That is 12.84 plus this is 2.75. So if I come here and if I use calci is 12.84 plus 2.75. 2.75, so it becomes 15.59. So that is the entire length. The entire length is 15.959, and this is 11.10. So let's start. So what do? We try first draw a line here. Uh, it makes no difference, but we'll be starting with 0, comma 0 coordinates. So I'll say line. Then I say line starting with first coordinate, that is 0, comma 0. That is done. Then I have to straight line. So what I do, I say a line length is what I'm saying, from this point onwards, my length is 15 point, what was that? 15.59. 59, that is my length. So I listed something. So like, I missed something. I'm coming back again. I say line. My first point is 0, comma 0, that is the starting point. And I say at the rate 15.59. This is that. It's 15.59 at 59, and at angle, I'm at angle what? 0 angle. It's done. So line is there. Fine. It's over for me. It's over. I want to just zoom it out. I'm just trying to zoom it out. So line is there. After this line, what I have to do exactly? I have to shift this line from this point onwards to this point with the distance of what? So I'll be saying offset. Enter. So what is the distance I expect? It's one. I think it's 11.1. This offset distance. So it's a select object. So I selected this object. Then I click on this side and it's over. Done. So this is done. I think so. So I have to just draw a line from this point to this point onwards. So what I prefer using command zoom all. I think this is the option. I have to just draw a line. So I come here. I know this is the ending point, and this is my another ending point. So I press enter. It's okay. That is done. Again, I have to go for the same line. Now you should know from where I should be able to offset the things. So this distance is what exactly? It's 5.50. This offset from this point to this point is 5.50. So what I do, I offset it. So again, same command. I right click it. Uh, there's offset command here. So they say what you want to offset. I want to offset from 5.5 only. So what you want to offset? I want to offset this line. This is where exactly it's okay. Here it's done. Fine. After this, this is offset. So what is this position from here? So I'm just searching it here. If this is 5 point, this is 5.5, and this is 12.84. So this point I want to just understand it. So what is it? So entire distance is 12.84 minus I have to do. It is what minus 5.5. It's enter. So you say it's 7.43. So what I do from this, I have to offset it. Okay. So I'm here. So what is that? I say again offset. It's saying offset. Select the object. I'm saying this. I select the object. I select the object. So it is saying distance. Oh no, I don't want this distance. I have to cancel this. So again I say offset. You should ask me distance. It is what? What is distance? It is remaining 7.34. So 7.34. Enter is done. So select the object line here, and I just move on this side. Is done. Now I have to find out exactly what is the distance from this point to that point. What is this point to that point? Line from this point to this point. बराबर है? Fine. Or line from here to here. So I'm just trying to get it where exactly it is. It is here, and this distance I think so. It's this is this from distance from this point to this point. It's I think it's 5 point. Just trying to get this distance. I got this. It's this. Zoom again. Trying to get it. This is the distance from this point here to this door. So that is for door. So yeah, this is 2.75 plus this distance we are just thinking of it. So this is 2.75, and then this we are missing something to this point. The inner distance is that. Mm, this distance is given. Okay, this is missing. Just check it out. Last time I think we assumed something. We assumed something. This is 5.25. I think this is the assumption that from this point to this point. It's 5.2. Distance is 5.2 from here to here. Let me pause and just recalculate everything. So we'll be considering this as 5.9 now. So how we got this? It's very simple. We say 11.1 minus 5.2. It becomes 5.9. We are shifting from bottom to up. Okay. So let's try again. So I'm again saying offset. Select the. I'm just saying enter. And to repeat the command, so I say right click. Repeat offset. It is saying what is that? 5.9. Okay. This enter. It want to say offset what? And to offset this point to this point. It's okay done. Okay. Then and to close this line from here. Mm, this from here to here. So let's take a line from this point onwards to this point onwards. It is closed. Okay, done. Now this is basic kind of thing. Now we want to offset it. After that, I think we have to offset for this windows. Offset for windows is very important. So I'll be showing only one. Rest of the part you have to go. You have to calculate. See, this is 1.1. The door is 1.1, and distance from this position to this position is what? Just zooming it out. Is it 6? It is 6.11. Okay, fine. And from that, it is what? 1.1 again. 1.01. So I have to just go for door. How to get a door now? So again, we'll be using same command, offset command. So this is done. I think the door is at this position. So what I do? Fine. So what I do? Again, I choose offset command. Offset command. Go. So I want to shift what? 6.11. Saying offset what exactly? I will offset this line into this direction. So this that. And from this point onwards, again we want what? 1.01. So again I say for this, right click, repeat offset. It's 1.01 offset we expect from where exactly? From this line to this line. This is that. So this is my door. I opening here. Fine. Here. Now see, we have to go for arc. I think we have to go for arc. So this is arc here. Fine. So arc, we can draw arc also, we can draw circle and trim also. Anyway, we can do both the things. So this distance is approximately 3 feet mostly. So we consider this as what? Distance from this point to this point, it's what? 1 point. Yeah, it's 1.1. Fine. We'll be just considering this, and we'll be just considering the door. Fine. So what exactly door we have to consider? Fine. So we offset it here mostly. So how I offset? See, again I say offset, right click, this. Fine. I mostly offset for same distance, that is 1.1. A little bit more, I can consider 1.2. What to offset? I have to offset this in this direction, so it is that. I have to extend this. My arc has to be coming from this way. So I want to extend from here to here. Fine. And then we want to open a door here. Okay. So how to make that? So first we'll be having lines here touching this. So I'll be saying extend, EXTEND, extend. It says what to extend. It says I have to extend till this point. What do you want to extend? I want to extend this line. So it is done. Now to go for arc. So when you come here into arc, now I go into more deeper part of the arc. I want arc which is touching two of the points. I'm not very much concerned regarding radius of it. So I have to just, I know only, yeah, I know what is the center, start point and end point. So it's very important. Hello. Hmm. Just hold for 1 minute. Got it? Fine. So we are right now here again. So I want to go for this one because it is having this is having it is saying, yeah, I know what is center, I know what is start, and what I know what is end. So I prefer using this. So what I do, I know is it first asking me what is your center. So this is my center. Fine. This second option. The center is this. It's not catching intersection only. Fine. It is catching. It is not catching only. So what I do, I go into this option and it say catch. Please catch intersection. See this option. I never taught this, but this is the time I'm going to teach you again. Intersection is that. So I'm again back. So I press enter again. So I'm into this. Yeah, see it is catching it now. This is my center. So it is asking what is my starting point. So I'm going to reduce this. So what is my starting point? My starting point is this. Now it's what is the ending point? I say ending point is this. And I just press enter, it's over. So it was that simple. Creating a door. Fine. After this, अरे थोड़ा सा टच नहीं हो गया. Fine. But let it be from my side. ठीक है? You people do it more better. ठीक है? Fine. And to go for pan. So what is the command? PAN, pan. Fine. Zoom will be more better. So zoom all. I'm zooming it out. ये पूरा zoom हो गया. After this, now what is my situation? I'm just trying to teach you how the trims are going to work. Fine. One more I have to go for just and to go for one more glass here. See, it's 1.1 again. This is opening, and this distance is around 2.5. 2.5 from here, and then it's 1.01. So let's think of that. It's 2.5. So I'm here from this point. It is 2.5. So what I do again, I go here, I click it, I say repeat command, that is offset. So it is say what is that? It's 2.5 to offset. It's going to say exactly what to be offset. This line to be offset into this way, it is offsetted. From this point again, it is going to have more offset command. So I say exit. I say repeat the command. So it is saying again, array. I think I miss pressing enter. Distance is okay. I have to shift it from this point to this point. Is it done? We'll be using repeating offset command. So my distance is now 1.01. Fine. Then to offset this thing, this location is done. Now, if everything is done, we have to go for one more, and we have to create a wall of 9 inches from all the sides. So it's very simple now. I'll be using only one offset command for all. We'll be saying offset. Now we'll be saying it's 0.9 inches. It's done. Say you select the object and offset. So I select the object, I offset. I press enter. Then I select the object. He says select the object, offset. Again from down, I press enter. It says select the object, offset. Select the object, offset. Select the object, offset. I think this is also there. This is my internal, na? I think this is my internal. This was my for door. So I select the object, offset. Now I think, yeah, the inner walls. This inner walls are of 6 inches. So I'll be changing this. I delete this. Fine. Just delete it. I can just select it and delete it. The inner walls are of 6 inches. So I'll be saying again offset. I can just type O also, and that is 0.06. Enter. That is 6.0. Okay, these are internal. So I can just click on this. It's done. I press enter and repeat the command. I select. I selected this object. Okay, done. Again, I think these are only two internal walls, no? This and this. And this has to be again internal, no? This is shifted. Everything is done. I will be mostly working with trim command. TRIM trim. You have to always remember what to be trimmed out. So I say consider this line. Okay, done. And trim this and this. So it's done. You can trim this also. Okay. For this, no, it's okay. It's okay. This I can trim. Okay. Center. Now this is to be offset again. Fine. So this is the point from where you should trim. So I repeat the command. I right click it. Repeat command. I say this. Consider this. Okay. I say trim this line. So it's gone. Done. Again I say repeat the command. And every time it is repeating so fine. Right? It is repeating so fine. Trim selected object and select all. So I think now I should trim this door. So how to trim? Select the object for trimming. This I selected, this I selected, both, and I press enter. Now I click on this, so it's gone. See how I create it. So my again, this is I think this is my area which I should trim. So again I say repeat the command trim. Fine. I selected this and this. Okay. I trim this and this. Okay, done. Again, I press enter. I selected this and this. Enter. I trim this part. It's done. See my that part is open now. Fine. We also can we use support some of the supporting lines, and we can adjust this way. Fine. And this is only for the reference. I think it is not required. That was it on. Again, I think this is a line which is for reference. Oh, it is not showing properly. So what I can do? I can go for trim command. Trim. I say enter. I select the line here. I select the line here. Enter. I say you trim this. That is trim now. Even I don't want this line. I can just select. Acha. Let first trim that and then proceed. Okay, that can be done. So again, I say right click. I want to trim this. I said trim. It says what to trim. I said this. Line. I want to trim that line. So I have to select another line. I press enter. I selected this line. I say I have to trim this part of the line. Says one. This way, the entire object is created with the combination of offsets and offset and trim, and that way it makes more faster. Okay, rest of the thing I keep to you on, and you try it. Thanks, friends. Subscribe the channel and share with the students.